Alright, this one is 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen.
Big Daddy!
This might be a problem. God.
Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." He's a great scientist. Pretty sure me and Anthony failed a bunch of times.
In the flask is where the gas is extracted through the reaction. The gas goes up through the flask, through the tube, and the tube goes under the water and into the bottle, which is where it resides.
Alright, we're currently marking off the portions for our rockets, and we needed to split them into thirds, so we found the capacity of the water bottles, which were 520 milliliters, and we divided that by 3, which was 173 milliliters, so we poured 173 milliliters into this water bottle and marked off where that was, and then poured another 173 milliliters in and marked off where that was. So that is 1/3 and 2/3, and by those lines we can use to mark off the other 5 water bottles because they're all the same.
Alright, so the way you fill your rockets is you have your large bottle filled with gas and your tiny rocket bottle filled with water. You submerge them both in the tank, the little water bottle upside down, the gas bottle somewhat parallel to the bottom, and you basically open them both up and hope the gas ends up in the water bottle. It's a pouring of sorts, you could say.
Alright, here you go. So uncap it.
Oh my gosh. And then it's just gonna go in there?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Well, try not to get it all in the... You're losing it all.
How do we...
So this was our first try, and it was not a success. You can tell this by the bubbles flowing out of the water and the rude comments from the peanut gallery.
Is that working?
Yes. But now we need the top of this thing, right? So I can just hold it there now and have that.
Round 2 was a large improvement. You can tell this by most of the gas making its way into the water bottle.
Alright, this is 100% hydrogen.
Oh, really?
Yep. Okay, go. It's not on fire.
Okay. Should be alright. Here, we can make it more.
Am I in a good position to see this at all? Oh my god.
Ready?
Nothing. Okay. What was that one?
It didn't work?
There are 3 possible reasons why the rocket didn't go off. It could have been that the gas wasn't successfully transferred to the rocket, or the gas leaked through an unknown hole. or the match didn't light on time.
Alright, this is 2/3 hydrogen.
It's gonna be really loud.
No.
I'm afraid. Wait, I can't see it.
So this time the launch was a semi-success. The reaction occurred and there was the large loud noise because of that. But you may have noticed the rocket did not launch. This is because the cardboard cannon was at a bad angle, which kept from reaching the lift button.
Well, this is embarrassing.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm afraid.
Are you ready?
We had a lot of fun with this experiment. It wasn't a complete success.
3 of our 6 rockets were a success. 3 did not launch at all.
The 3 that didn't launch, we noticed, were either 100% hydrogen or 100% oxygen.
At first we thought this was because those gases alone were not explosive,
But our pals Graham Harper
and Christine Witt,
were quick to tell us that they were highly explosive.
of the 2 rockets that launched, the one that was 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen went 21 feet, while the one that was 2 parts oxygen and 1 part hydrogen went 16 feet.
This was just as we predicted because hydrogen and oxygen bond together at a ratio of 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen.
And the bonding is where the explosive energy originates.